Sorry. Okay, so very briefly, I'm going to make some modifications to CVSS scores. Pay careful attention. This is my very elaborately built animation slide. Pick any score you want, right? We're going to round it. We are going to multiply it by 2, add 9. This is scientifically proven to work. Subtract 3, or divide by 2, subtract that, the rounded number you had in the first place, and add 8, because I had a number of fun numbers to pick for a constant result, and I picked 11. I could have picked 42. So our modification so far is all CVSS scores are 11. It could be 0. It can be any number you want, because there's no modification. It doesn't work. And it doesn't work for ICS. It doesn't work anywhere. Very briefly, context really matters. The vulnerability turns out to not be super important. The impact, the consequence, I heard it called consequence, I think, and effect. Those are super important. Threat's very important. Are people coming at me or not? How exposed am I? You guys covered this, very important. Effect on the mission, effect on safety, and loss we have in there. Not mission and safety, but more sort of financial loss. You got a business because of financial losses is an idea. Very simple categories, sort of high, it's not high, medium, low, but no effect, some, and significant. Decision tree, which I've got a slide on here in a minute, and we're going to give you a ranked answer of when to mitigate. So, some scores, right? This is the eco-structure, which I think was the URL redirect, right? That's all it was in the first place. You can ignore this. I'm going to say some statements here that are kind of very strong, and I'm assuming a lot about your environment, so bear with me just for the purpose of the talk, but you can leave this alone, is what we're saying. By the way, never really should probably say not now. It can be reevaluated later. If you're going to upgrade the software anyway, great, grab the fix. But never is a little bit of a strong term, but basically, you don't have to pay attention to this one, right? Rockwell Automation, RS links, there were several vulnerabilities here. These are all sort of next patch cycle. We consider threat very highly, so I wanted to find one that there was some evidence of active exploitation, and I picked this one related to a black energy campaign. So with threat high, I have a 3 there. This is basically saying you got to do something now because there's packets flying around that could attack this, and you don't want to wait, basically.